Hello, good morning and good afternoon, fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. So this week in Storytime, we are talking about all things that are cozy. Yes, cozy is the key word this week. So we are going to make a really fun, cozy little craft that is actually quite useful. What you're going to make is this cute little bag that looks like a fireplace, but you know it's handy. Anything that you need for sitting in front of the fireplace, you can carry along with you. Are you making s'mores? You can put your ingredients in the bag. Are you going to color? You can put your crayons in the bag. The possibilities really are endless as long as it fits in with being cozy, right? So what you're going to get when you come up to the library, either to do curbside or to come in and do express checkout, you will get, of course, your bag. You will get everything that you need to make the fireplace. This guy right here, I just colored it in black and put it right there at the bottom. And then I colored in the logs and cut those out and glued those on. And then I did my flames in 3 different colors, orange, yellow, and red. And then you'll just glue those from biggest to smallest right there on the front. Before I glued everything on, you can see that I drew bricks to make it look like a real fireplace. You don't have to do that, but you can if you like. So that's everything that you'll need, of course, including all of our handy dandy craft supplies that we need pretty much every week, right? Our crayons, our glue stick, and our scissors. So I hope that you are all feeling really, really cozy and you have wonderful little things that you can carry around in your cozy little fireplace bag. I miss you guys, can't wait to see your faces again, and I hope that your holiday season is wonderful. We'll see you soon. Bye.